This video series has been filmed at AGC Northampton in the UK. This is a manufacturing site certified to IATF 16949 under a corporate scheme. AGC are a global organisation manufacturing automotive glass products for OE and service applications. The series simulates several scenarios in an IATF 16949 audit. Watch this video and see if the auditor is undertaking an effective audit.
Okay, so earlier in the process, we looked at the daily management meeting where we're looking at all the objectives and targets. Can you now talk me through from an operational on how you communicate any previous shift performance issues and how you communicate that through to the next shift?
Okay, yeah. So first of all, we start from safety. So we look at the issues we've had the previous day, and then I talk to another supervisor. So for example, yesterday we had one small safety related problem when we had a loose strapping. So we've already contained that, we informed our supplier, and it's all under control. We inspected our stock, and so we don't need to worry about that. All was inspected. And that's, so basically verbal communication, we're talking together, and this is how we deal with our handover. For safety.
Thank you. We spoke earlier regarding the T-card process. How does that T-card process work in between shifts? How is that managed?
Okay, so we also review the T-cards. Each member has their own account, and they can have a look in the separate tab. There's a tab called My Cards, and they can really see what is assigned to them. So at the start of each shift, the operator, everyone looks at that and then deals with the actions.
Okay, thank you for that process of management of safety issues. Can you now talk me through how you manage quality issues and how they're communicated?
Yes, of course. So first of all, I communicate the quality issues with supervisor. Okay, so then it's all verbal feedback. But on the top of that, we record it here on the quality clock, as well as we issue a quality alert, which you can see here.
Okay.
And the quality alert is also communicated to all shop floor members.
Okay.
Yeah.
So who would do that communication to the next shift?
It would be me.
Okay.
Me communicating to the other shift, and then the other supervisor communicating to all members of the staff.
Okay. Is that communication carried out in this area here with the operational team?
Yeah, that happens every day. Before the shift starts, and operators have to sign the quality alert that they were briefed and they are aware of such a defect.
Excellent, thank you.
In this video, the auditor is following an audit trail to verify the effectiveness of the manufacturing shift communication and handover. As we saw in the previous video, the organisation is moving from a paper communication system to an electronic communication. The auditee explains that the first focus is on effective safety concerns encountered, followed by a review of shift performance against the targets. The auditor followed the trail related to communication of T-cards when issues or opportunities for improvement are identified. Although the auditor gained an understanding of the process, it would have been good to select a bigger sample. We saw that only one sample was selected, especially given that this was a newly implemented system. The auditor also questioned how any quality issues encountered are recorded and actioned. Again, the auditor seemed rushed with insufficient evidence gathered. It is defined in IATF 16949 requirement 9.2.2.3 manufacturing process audits that when undertaking audits, the following must be met. Within each individual audit plan, each manufacturing process should be audited on all shifts where it occurs, including the appropriate sampling of shift handover. There is also a similar requirement related to third-party audits, that shift handovers are sampled for effectiveness during every audit. A good auditing technique is to observe the handover process and then question the relevant personnel on how any issues are followed up on, for example, issues with product quality, equipment breakdown, or material shortages. So let's summarize. It is important in undertaking IATF 16949 audits that the effectiveness of shift communication is verified. Focus on how any issues that have been encountered on the previous shift are handed over, giving the opportunity to follow these audit trails into the next shift.